Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to get the iOS 18 public beta right now on your iPhone to try out all the new features early. Let's get into the method. It's important to start by mentioning that as this is a beta build of the software, there are a few risks to installing it. There could be bugs and glitches that affect your device and battery life, and battery health could be impacted. In this video I'll include how to backup and then archive a backup of your device before installing the beta, which I'd strongly recommend, so you can always revert to this if you need to. If you've already done this, you can skip ahead using the video chapters if you want. First, we'll get enrolled into the Apple beta program. To do this, head to the link in the description or go to beta.apple.com. On this page, look for the blue sign up button that should be roughly in the middle of the page. Click or tap on this and then sign into the Apple account that you use on your iPhone. You may now need to enter the code shown on your device to authenticate it. Now accept the terms after reading them. You can now click on Enroll your devices at the top for a guide, but I'll show you each of these steps now as well. We'll now back up our iPhone. It's best to do this on a Mac and archive the backup. I'll show you how to do that as well. But first you can check that backups are enabled on your iPhone itself. Open the settings and tap on your profile at the top, then choose iCloud, then iCloud Backup, and make sure backups are turned on, and you can also tap on Backup Now for an up-to-date backup. As I mentioned, it's recommended that you back up your iPhone to your Mac locally and then archive it. If you've already done this, you can skip this section, but to do it, you first need to connect your iPhone to your Mac with the cable. You'll need to follow any instructions that appear on either your Mac or iPhone, and these will differ depending on how often you connect the devices. For example, you might need to install a software update or trust the device by entering your passcode on your iPhone. The next step is to open Finder and look on the left side for where it says Locations. Under this, click on your iPhone. Once this page loads, you might have the option of turning on encrypted backups. Use the blue Encrypt Backups button to do this and then enter a password to protect these backups. Next, make sure you check the box next to where it says Backup all the data on your iPhone to this Mac. With this selected, ensure that the box is also checked next to where it says Encrypt Local Backup. Now you can customize some of the options further down on this page and then click on Apply in the bottom right. Once you're ready, click on Backup Now. Again, you may need to enter the passcode on your iPhone to trust the device. Allow the backup to complete, and it may take a while depending on the amount of data on your iPhone. Once the backup has completed, click on where it says Manage Backups, and then look for the backup you have just created. It will be the most recent one. Right-click or Control-click on it, and select the option called Archive. The date should now appear next to the iPhone name after clicking Archive, and you might want to make a note of the date and time it says here in case you need to use this backup to restore data in the future. Click on the blue OK button in the bottom right, and then you can set the option back to where it says Backup your most important data on your iPhone to iCloud. We're now ready to move back onto our iPhone. Open the settings and then tap on General. Now choose Software Update, and if you wait a second or two, you should see an option called Beta Updates. Tap on this and then tap on the option called iOS 18 Public Beta. Now if you head back to the Software Update page, there should be an update available, and you can tap on Download and Install to install this like you would with any other iOS update. If for some reason this didn't work, check that you are on the latest version of iOS 17 and then try again. That's how to get the iOS 18 public beta right now on your iPhone. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.